Hi everyone, साक्षी दिस साइड और दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो जिसमें मैं खुद भी हूँ और मुझे बिल्कुल कोई आइडिया नहीं है। आई एम नो क्लू हाउ टू मेक वीडियोस। आई हैव नेवर मेड एनी वीडियो। सो वैसे तो इंसान कॉमेडी वीडियोस बनाता है, फ़नी कंटेंट लेकर आता है, व्लॉग्स बनाता है, बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट अ वेरी सीरियस इशू दैट इज़ कोरोना वायरस. Why I have decided to make this video? Because there are two COVID patients in my house, and one is almost recovered and one is yet to. So I know few things about how to take precautions and what you can do to make the other person survive the corona. So today I'm going to discuss that. So first case was my uncle जिनको कोविड हुआ. और अंकल मतलब ताया जी, उनको कोविड हुआ और आई लिव इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली. उनको कोविड हुआ, उसके बाद उसके थ्रू मेरी मॉम को हो गया, and plus she is a diabetic. So I can tell you few things which can help you to make whosoever is infected in your house, if they have diabetes or they are aged. Basically both of them in my house were aged like 50 to 60, so it's very risky for them, and obviously diabetic patients are at very much risk. So don't panic, that's all I can say, because I know it's easy to say and very hard to follow, because I have panicked, I have cried, I lost all hopes, and then thanks to my family, I live in a joint family, and my bhabis and sisters and everyone consoled me that don't worry, everything will get fine. So today I'm going to tell you about few things that you can do. First thing is, I'm going to share some medicines which we were giving. Basically, these are vitamins and minerals, nothing else. But still, you have to consult a doctor before taking or giving it to somebody who is COVID-19 positive. There's no harm before asking a doctor. Even we have asked a doctor. That's why I'm telling you to. Second thing, steam 3 times a day with turmeric and salt. That's very important. This will clear the passage, nostril and throat, right? Third thing, lots and lots of warm water. Lots and lots of lukewarm water. Give it with lemon. That's best. Lemon has citric acid, and that's good for your body. And that will boost the immunity also. Breathing exercises are must. Whenever my mother's oxygen level used to go down, I asked her to do breathing exercises, anulom vilom, and I also asked her to walk in within the room. Okay, fifth thing, keep a check on sugar levels. Must. Sugar levels 2 times in one day, fever 3 times in one day, oxygen level 3 times in one day. That's how I used to follow with my mother. You can check more often, or you can check less, but you have to check it twice minimum in a day. So next is warm water with lemon. That's I've already told. Seventh point is fruits. We are giving two fruits every day. That is apple and sweet lime. That's मौसमी. ये दो चीज़ें we are regularly giving to them. And this, as we all have heard about apple, like apple a day keeps the doctor away. So please give apple, and mosmi, that is sweet lime, also has citric acid, and that's good. If you can make the juice of mosmi, then you can also give the juice. Okay, next is coconut water. Coconut water is a very good source of keeping the body hydrated, and it's very essential at this moment, because you have to keep your body hydrated all the time. Next, and it will help. I give coconut water to my mom every day. She's on the 12th day of the cycle. Actually, the cycle is of 14 days. She's on the 12th day and she's feeling better now, but still we have to wait for the 14 days to complete, and till the next test is not done, I can't say anything. But still, she's feeling better. That's why I'm making this video, so that anyone can take help, or it may help somebody in some way, because many of us don't have any awareness what to do, because everyone is panicking if there are COVID patients. And if I can help you in some way, or give you my knowledge which I have experienced, maybe you can also follow it, and maybe the patient whosoever is suffering from COVID-19 can get better. That's a great thing to happen, right? Next, next thing is maintaining distance. You should maintain distance, if basically 6 feet distance, that's all, and wear mask. Nothing else to do. Use disposables. If you're giving food to the COVID-19 patient, please use disposables, disposable spoons, glasses, plates, everything. Next thing, keep sanitizing the house, especially the doors, handles, because if someone who is suffering from COVID-19 in your house touches anything, that you might get it from that person, right? And if you get it from that person, you will not be able to take care of the other person, so you have to take care of yourself too. And okay, and the vitamins and minerals tablets which I'm going to show, you can take it also, uh, but you still have to take advice of the doctor. Okay, and the next thing, most important, most important, never let the oxygen level go down, because oxygen level plays a very important role. You can't let the oxygen level go down below 90. It's very risky. If it goes down below 90, you have to consult a doctor. And oxygen meters, also known as oximeters, are available in the market. Please go and get it, and you have to check oxygen levels. Very, very important thing. Second, which I have noticed with both the COVID-19 cases in my house, I have noticed they lost their appetite. They didn't like to eat, they were not willing to eat, not even a single bite. So oxygen, you have to maintain the appetite, because it will help to maintain the oxygen levels. It's very important. I have shared my experience, and I will make another video when once my mother gets better, completely fine, and we get the negative report of COVID-19. Till then, if this video can help you in any way, I win. Even we all win. Okay, thank you so much. I hope this helps you, and please stay safe in this pandemic, and I hope everyone is safe, everyone stays safe, and this pandemic ends soon. Thank you.